Step into unparalleled luxury where country tranquility meets modern elegance in this 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom custom estate. With nearly 3,600 square feet of expertly designed living space, this residence blends modern elegance with comfortable living. Featuring premium quartz countertops, a spacious island with comfortable bar stool seating, designer pendant lighting, and stainless steel appliances make this kitchen as functional as it is beautiful. The kitchen opens directly to the family dining area, flooded with natural light from oversized windows that showcase the surrounding natural beauty. The family room is perfect for hosting guests. Sliding glass doors that lead to the screened porch with its own outdoor fireplace. This place is perfect for hosting. The vaulted primary suite is welcoming, and the luxurious bathroom boasts a dual quartz vanity, custom cabinets, zero entry shower with an elegant freestanding tub. A spacious walk-in closet provides abundant storage directly across from the laundry room. Upstairs, discover a recreational room, dedicated office or study, and spacious secondary bedrooms. This exceptional custom home at 4909 Hidden Pasture Way is where luxury meets livability. Contact us today to schedule your private showing.